have 2021 Range Rover Velar. Customer came in with every once in a while alarm goes off on its own without anybody doing anything to it. So let's find out why. As you can see, we didn't do anything. Alarm just goes off on its own. Now, if you go to the information center, it tells you why and how it went off. So what you do is go to the instrument cluster, you turn the ignition on. Then go to the menu. So go to vehicle information and go down. It said last alarm. It tells you why, and that says passenger door unlock, meaning something with this door is causing that trouble. So we're going to open that up, see what we find out. Under this little armrest grabber here, there is a plastic panel, and you're going to take this panel as well, and there should be screws underneath. There are two screws right there, as you can see, and we're going to take this panel out. There is a little cutout right on the top right corner, and put a little poke tool and remove that panel as well. There's a screw here, and another one all the way in the bottom of the door. So another one right there under that center. So we're going to remove four screws. Two from here, one from here, another one on the bottom side of the door. This one is Torx number 20. Those are Torx number 30. Those two. So one more underneath. And get a panel popper started from the bottom. Stick it on the bottom. No, just the bottom. Start from the bottom corner. This is what's holding it. So I'm going to put this back on. You know what? Let's leave it the way it is for now. So this is what we discovered. We took all these screws off to get to the harness behind it. They're all black wires. This one is the door trigger wire that goes on and off when you open and close the door. This wire, even though it stays on all the time, it shows somehow the door is still open. So when you hit lock button on the remote, it doesn't give me that chirping sound and door handle, it never closed. But if I open that door and close it, sometimes it does close. So I suspect this latch, even though this one is the only one that actually changes, but I think that also has another key indication of the door being locked and unlocked. That might be bad because they do have a recall on another model indicating that door latch is no good. So I suspect that one is no good. That information goes into this module here, and that seems to be okay. All the connection seems to be fine, but I think he's gonna have to replace that latch.